Hi, my name is Jason Lloyd with America's Home Place in Statesville, North Carolina. Today I would like to go over some information that may help you in the purchase of land for your future home. First thing is deciding the type of foundation that you want. There are generally three types of foundations. Your concrete slab foundation, which is best suited for a more flat lot. Your crawl space foundation, which can go on a flat lot, but also a lot with some slope to it. Lastly, you have your basement foundation, which is best suited for your steeper lots. Another thing to look for is, do you want a wooded lot or do you want a cleared lot? You don't want to buy a wooded lot and spend all the money to go in there and clear it off to make it a open field when you could have purchased an open field in the first place. Lastly, be cognizant of the prices of land in your area that you're looking to purchase. Sometimes there may be a deal out there that seems to be just an awesome deal, but in the end there may be some underlying features that end up costing you more money in the end, when you could have taken that money, purchased a better suited piece of property for your needs, and possibly come out cheaper in the long run. Thank you again. My name is Jason with America's Home Place in the Statesville office. Thank you for watching.